Hello everyone, my name is Kara and I'm the product specialist here at the Mercedes-Benz of Jacksonville. And today I'd like to introduce you to the Mercedes-Benz SL Series lineup, born to perform and developed to outperform. Let's begin.
Here we have the SL43, SL55, and SL63. Featured here are the 55 and 63 with the SL43 soon to arrive. The SL43 accelerates from 0 to 60 in 4.8 seconds and has a 375 horsepower engine. The SL55 accelerates from 0 to 60 in 3.8 seconds and has a 469 horsepower engine. The SL63 accelerates from 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds and has a 577 horsepower engine. Here we have the dynamic select, where you're able to change the drive mode of the vehicle. And then on the left side allows you to customize each setting: exhaust, spoiler, suspension. And you'll just click on the screen to change the icon, and then to change the drive mode, you'll click the button underneath. This is the interior of the SL63. With the MBX system, and you have a screen that's able to tilt based on the angle or glare if you have the top down. And I pressed this button down here to bring it back. Ambient lighting inside the air vents, and you can choose from multiple presets that they have. Heated, ventilated, cooling, seating. Beautiful vehicle. Thank you so much for watching my video on the SL Series lineup here at the Mercedes-Benz of Jacksonville. If you have any questions regarding this or any questions about the vehicle you currently own, please reach out to the dealership and I'll be happy to assist you. My name is Kara at the Mercedes-Benz of Jacksonville.